Hello my viewers, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Tapo Smart Wire-Free Security Camera System. Two cameras with a hub. It is the model Tapo C420S2. And this camera, the Tapo C225. And the contact sensor. For all these products I have made a video. You can check this video down below in the description at the Tapo playlist. They are very interesting products, I'm sure you will like it. Enjoy using all these products without a doubt. No second thoughts, if you need that kind of product, just buy it. So today I will show you how you can use the Tapo Hub H200 and create your own home security alarm. Power connection, Ethernet cable connection, reset button, micro SD slot up to 256 GB, sync button, LED indicator, and at the front the speaker for the alarm. Tapo Hub, Tapo Hub, and you can just press here and it will start ring. Doorbell ring, you can choose, custom siren sounds. And of course you can adjust the volume from low siren direction from 5 seconds to 10 minutes, custom from 1 second to 9 minutes and 59 seconds, 10 seconds for now. Add the settings. You can change the device icon, device name, the location, siren, I have just shown you that. You can switch off or on the status LED, device information, firmware update, check for updates, auto update, enable and choose the hour between you want to update the device, disable. You can run diagnostics. You can choose auto reboot, choose the time between, reboot and remove the device, explore smart actions, build a smart alarm when you sleep, contact sensor, apply, create. You can choose the Tapo Hub, custom siren sounds, choose other sounds, adjust the volume, done. You can choose delay action, effective time, always, custom, start to end, choose the days of the week, always for now, save, and save. So if I'm going to open the door or the window, tap here and just stop. Make sure the door window is closed. You can use the contact sensor again. Build smart doorbell. Buy the smart button and use your hub as a doorbell. Build I need help. The same with a smart button. You can install it at any place on your home and just press it for help. Or build a smart alarm when your camera doorbell detects a person. Choose the cameras you want. It depends where you have installed the cameras. Create, and again you can adjust the Tapo Hub, become silent, ring, custom siren sound, siren direction. Done. For now I will use only the indoor. Save. And at the smart we can see there is the automation. So if I'm going to pass through the camera, it will start ring the hub. There it is. Sound alarm from the hub. I like it. For 10 seconds. It depends the adjustments you have made at the siren direction. Micro SD, good. Enable, disable the loop recording. Tapo Cam Indoor. Use it 550 megabyte. Save recordings, off or on, playback. And here you can go back and choose from other days to play back a video. Or add the memory. You can clear all recordings of this camera. Tapo Cam Outdoor, and here the same. Other. You can format the micro SD. Camera playback, it is the same, and here, different menu. Device sharing. You can share the device to other members. Just enter the TP-Link ID. Feedback, you can send the feedback. Pair device, we can see two cameras. And the contact sensor. Add the cameras. And here we can just tap and check at the same time live feed. Press here and you can manage any camera. And of course you can tap to active home or away mode. It will override the current detection and alert settings of the included devices. And of course you can adjust in the home mode, just press on these three dots. For the Tapo Cam Indoor, you can choose the motion detection off or on, choose the sensitivity, AI detection for the person detection, for the pet detection, vehicle detection, adjust the sensitivity for all these detections, activity notification, reach notification, you need to enable the Tapo Care plan, start a plan, premium basic, or you can activate the 30 days free. You can choose always, during the day, the night, custom time, adjust, start to the end, choose the days of the week, always. You can set camera alarm, alarm type, light, sound and light, alarm sound, siren, high, or tone. And again, you can adjust all day, during the day, the night and custom schedule. Off for now because it is on home mode, the same and for the other camera. And of course you can add a third camera. There's the Tapo C225, add. And you can adjust in that camera the motion detection, all that, AI detection, line crossing detection. Did I mention this camera? It is amazing. It has so many features. I love this camera. Camera tempering, camera alarm. For sure you need to watch the video that I made for this Tapo C225. All these videos down below the description are the Tapo playlist. Activity notification. Wow, so many settings and options to adjust to your needs. Wow, you can see this camera, it has person detection, vehicle, pet, baby crying, dog barks, cat meows, glass break, motion detection, camera tampering, line crossing detection. And of course you can enable, disable, choose what you want. Motion tracking, enable the motion tracking. So many options, camera alarm. This is the home mode settings, and of course you can edit and delete if you want any of this camera. Just press the home mode, goes to the home mode, congratulations. And the same for the away mode. You can just add and adjust all that. So all the cameras are on right now. If I'm going to activate the away mode, wow. Well, let's test it. I will connect myself on the Tapo C225. We can see alarm on, and detection and alerts are everything on. Now I'm moving at the camera. Oh my God. Detection. So many detections. From all the cameras. All together, yeah. Amazing. Instant response. I like it. And let's go back. Home mode. Congratulations. Deactivate. And now if I'm going again at the camera, we can see the alarm. It is off. And at the settings, detection and alerts, everything, it is off because I have choose the home mode. And of course you can adjust all the settings and the options to your needs. Now let's go at the smart. Here we can see the automation, routine actions. With other products from Tapo, you can do so many routines, bulbs, plugs, light strips, switches. For all these products I have made a video. You can check these videos down below in the description at the Tapo playlist. Add shortcut, add action, you can enable disable automation, control Tapo device, let's say the Tapo hub. You can make the hub to ring for 10 seconds. Okay, done. Again, add action, control Tapo device. You can control one of these devices. Motion tracking, you can enable the motion tracking off, on or off, off. Again, action. The outdoor privacy mode, enable or disable the privacy mode. And next, you can choose that, exit.
I found one missing exit, and you can control it by saying, turn on exit.
Or you can add a second shortcut, add action, control Tapo device, Tapo hub, become silent, done. Again, action, control Tapo device, the camera. You can switch off the motion tracking. The indoor, if I remember correct, disable the privacy mode. Next, in. So if I'm going to press on exit, it will start ring the hub, enable all the adjustment for the automation, or in, it will switch off the hub and disable the other adjustments that I made for the exit. I like shortcuts. And for the automation, you can create a new automation, add trigger, trigger time, you can choose the sunrise, no effect, before or after, you can adjust the hour and the minute, sunset, the same, custom time, adjust the hour and the minute, choose the days of the week, or delete, add a trigger, trigger device. I can choose the contact sensor, when open, done, then it can trigger control Tapo device, the hub, It will ring 10 seconds. Perfect. Done. And then I can add a second device, control Tapo device. Let's say this camera. Privacy mode. Enable the privacy mode. Done. Next. Done. Created. And I can create another automation. Contact sensor, close. Or you can choose keep open for more than 1 minute. Close for now. Add action. Control Tapo, Tapo hub, become silent. And again add action, control Tapo device, the camera, privacy mode, disable privacy mode. Next. Done. Another automation. So if I'm going to open the door, sound alarm and privacy mode, it is on. If I'm going to close the contact, we can see disable privacy mode and the alarm it is off. Did I mention that I like automation? You can do so many things. The possibilities are endless. That is amazing. Buy more than one device from Tapo and do so many things. Create your own smart home security system. And the same thing you can do and with the other cameras. Create automation. And moving back, we can see at the main screen we have the in and the exit shortcut. I like it. Smart. And at the hub, devices. Here we can see what devices you can add at this hub. The Tapo C400, the C420, the motion detection, the contact sensor, the smart water leak sensor, smart temperature and humidity sensor without display or with display, the smart button, the smart remote dimmer switch, the smart light with one switch or with two switches. All these devices and create your own automation whenever and wherever you want. Well, my viewers, now you know how you can create your own home security alarm. It is so easy in a low cost. Be smarter, make your home smarter. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.